Need to make a payment on YouTube TV? Whether you're settling an overdue bill or just want to confirm your subscription, I'll guide you through the process, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube TV app or go to the YouTube TV website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, go to the Billing section. Here, you'll see your current billing status, including any outstanding payments. If there's an overdue balance, you'll find an option to Make a Payment or Update Payment Method. Click on it and enter your payment details, like a credit or debit card, to complete the transaction. If your payment isn't going through, double-check that your card info is correct and has sufficient funds. You can also try adding a new payment method to avoid interruptions in your service. Once the payment is successful, your subscription will stay active and you'll get access to all your favorite channels again. And that's it. Now you know how to make a payment on YouTube TV. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.